Hello and welcome to SysTech, your go-to channel for expert insights into IT, networking, and system administration. In today's session, we will walk you through how to enable SSH on a Cisco switch to ensure secure remote access. This tutorial is perfect for networking students and professionals who want to enhance their switch configuration skills. Let's dive in. 1. Open Packet Tracer and set up the topology. Launch Cisco Packet Tracer. Drag and drop a Cisco switch, e.g., 2960, onto the workspace. Connect the switch to a PC using a copper straight-through cable. Ensure the PC is connected to an active port on the switch, e.g., Fast Ethernet 0/1. 2. Access the switch CLI. Click on the switch to open its properties window. Navigate to the CLI tab. 3. Enter privileged exec mode. Enable. 4. Enter global configuration mode. Configure terminal. 5. Set a hostname for the switch. Hostname SSH_switch. 6. Configure a domain name. IP domain name mindwork.local. 7. Create a local user with a secure password. Username admin privilege 15 secret password 123. Note, replace password 123 with a strong password. 8. Generate RSA encryption keys for SSH. Crypto key generate RSA. When prompted for key length, enter 1024, recommended for packet tracer. Choose the size of the key modulus, 512, 1024, in real world go for a higher size key. Wait for the keys to generate. 9. Enable SSH and set the VTY lines for SSH access. Line VTY 015. Transport input SSH. Login local. Exit. 10. Enable SSH version 2, recommended for security. IP SSH version 2. 11. Verify the SSH configuration. Show IP SSH. Ensure that SSH version 2 is enabled. 12. Assign an IP address to the VLAN interface. Interface VLAN 1. IP address 192.168.1.1255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Exit. Assign IP address to the PC. Go to desktop. Click IP configurations. Assign IP address 192.168.1.2, any IP address from the same subnet. Assign the same subnet mask, 255.255.255.0. 13. Test the SSH connection from the PC. 1. Open the SSH client on the PC in Packet Tracer. 2. Enter the IP address of switch, 192.168.1.1. 3. Enter the username, and click Connect. 4. Enter the password, once prompted. Run a few commands like show running config. 14. Save the configuration. Copy running config startup config. Confirm the save by pressing Enter. Thanks for watching this tutorial on SysTech. If it was informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more practical IT tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.